Today I got this contraption at work. This is out of an old floor buffer scrubber thing. They were thrown out at bunches at work. I don't know, pretty old, worn out, but apparently this thing's were old, maybe it didn't work, I don't know. I tried the one motor and it seemed to work. Down here there's a small, looks like a 4-brush DC motor. Most of these motors are 24 volt. That drives a chain and a wheel down there. There's a couple casters in the back. It's like 3 wheels. The front has a couple of spin brush motors. Those are Imperials, 24 volt DC, 0.75 horse, 200 RPM, 33 amps. There appears to be at least one gear on them. I haven't tested these motors yet, but I probably don't know what I'm going to do with this yet, but I think it's pretty cool. I'm sort of thinking it could be like a battle bot or something for like an RC type robot of some sort, or maybe a lawnmower or brush trimmer. I don't know, I never really had plans for the front motors. I was more interested in this back assembly. And this thing has a pedal on it, which it's kind of heavy, but it lifts the front motors up. I assume so you could turn it or whatever if you had to work on it. It's kind of interesting. I might grab another one too, but I don't know. It's kind of big and it weighs like 100 pounds or something. I had to make a ramp just to unload the thing from the car. And it's also got that black thing here. That was like a thing to prop it up if you had to work on it. Here's had some other parts too, but I don't know. I got a couple controllers for these too with some solenoids and stuff like that. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to create yet. It just seemed like too good a cool of a thing to pass up, but I guess we'll see in a while if I end up using it or what. I was more amazed how heavy it was. It doesn't look like it could be that heavy, but I figured the heaviest part of these machines would be the batteries, but apparently not. I think it had they said it had like 4 batteries in it, probably 4 6-volt batteries in series. I guess I'll see what I decide to make with it.